Hello Bladers. Welcome to our daily drive, everyday tips for the everyday driver. Songs that deserve a spot on our road trip. Imagine this, it's a Saturday morning and you and your friends drive on the highway while you sing it out to your favorite songs. Then, a weird song you don't even know plays on your playlist. Such a mood killer, right? So, when you go on a road trip, always make sure to prepare a great music playlist that's filled with music you and your millennial friends can jam to. It doesn't have to be filled with trending music. In fact, more often than not, it's usually filled with some of the quirkiest songs you grew up to. You have to remember that the head unit seats is one of the core fundamentals of a car. Whether that's an old school head unit or a new one, it matters. Not all head units are equipped with the latest innovations such as Bluetooth functions. So why give yourself the hassle of using wired jocks when you can play your most favorite playlist in the palm of your hand? To help you on your search for entertainment devices, drop by at Blade Auto Center today and check out great deals or shop online at www.blade.ph. Do you agree with our list? Or did we miss some of the ideas had in mind? Comment down below so we can discuss it. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center. It's Blade, it's better. If you like this video, please share it with your friends on social media. Help us build more subscribers by spreading the word around. Click the round icon to subscribe and one of the videos on the left to watch our next feature. See you again soon.